Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we will know what is double chance and how to use it. I take this football match and see here double chance is available here. Double chance 1x means first team and draw. If you bet on to win first team or to draw the match, you can bet here and your bet will win. Otherwise, if second team will win, your bet will lose. If you put on 1x means first team win. That is a birth. This is the first team, birth glory. If birth glory will win, or if it makes ties. As of now, goal is 0-2. To draw the match, birth glory still need to score 2 more, and second team Melbourne City should not score. So the match will draw. Otherwise, birth glory will have to score three more goals to win the match. Okay. If birth glory scores 3 or 2 and Melbourne City not scoring hereafter, then 1x this 1x will win. Okay, that's the meaning. Okay, then 1-2 means any team. If birth glory will win or Melbourne City will win. Okay, so the chance here, the chances anyone can win. Okay, as of now, second team is strong. Okay, so here rate is low. Then next one is 2x. 2x means second team will win or draw. Okay, here draw is not possible, but second team will win. Okay, as of now, this is the statistics. So if you would like to bet on double chance, you got to understand what is double chance, and then you can easily predict the outcome, and you can win or you may lose. Okay, so double chance is either of one should happen. Okay, 1x means first team and draw. 1-2 means first team or second team. 2x means second team or draw. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.